Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy and fast way to convert any PDF file into an HTML file using Systweak PDF Editor. So let's get started. After opening your PDF file, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert the PDF to HTML file, click on Convert to. Select PDF to HTML from these options. Confirm the output format and select the destination folder. Now click the Convert to HTML button. This will convert your PDF file to a HTML file and save it in the output folder. Let's check the files. Here is the original PDF and here is the HTML file we just created from it. Now let's see how you can convert multiple PDF files to HTML files all at once. To do this, you can click on Convert, go to Batch Process, select Batch Convert, drop the PDF files here. Select HTML in output format, click on the Convert to HTML button, and the tool will convert all the PDF files into HTML files and save them in the output folder. Here are the PDFs, and these are the HTML files we created from them. That's how easy it is to convert any PDF file into an HTML file using the Systweak PDF Editor. You can check out other tutorials on Systweak PDF Editor by clicking the playlist link given in the description. Also, you can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any issues, just drop a comment. I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.